Mama, come here. Come check out my camera on my new phone. Come here real quick. Hurry up. Look. Come look how good you look. Ooh, baby, looking good. Check you out. And I be going live on Instagram.
Nice.
All my followers get to see me. Who did this outside? They get to see me and stuff like that. Who did this outside? What?
Dirty bitch.
What?
All this coronavirus shit going on and you put your hands in my face? Get the fuck out of my house. Goddamn shit, what the fuck is wrong with you, motherfucker? All this coronavirus shit, you don't put your hands in my